Friends, in this video I will tell you 4 signs by which you will know that the girl is in contact with you, but how will you know that the girl want to talk to you? Number 1, will give a chance to see. Friends, there are many things that women do, which shows that she want to be close to you. But if she does not do, then that is the beginning to talk. She will move her hands around. She will use her mobile phone, and will show like she doesn't know that there is someone around, even you, who is constantly staring at her. Number 2, she will be angry. Whether it is intentional or unintentional, initial anger is a natural act. It is women's body language, who understands this. Then it is very easy for them to understand woman, but the way she looks at you reveals that she wants a relationship with you. Number 3, she will not say soon. Getting a girl is not so easy. Some young men lose heart early. They are attracted to so many girls, and strangely, many girls like them too. But desperation does not allow a man to succeed. Remember, don't lose hope until you make the women love you back. Number 4, she will look worried. When a girl is in contact with a boy, she adorns herself more than before, so that she looks more attractive by doing her clothes and hair to look better. She will check her face in the mirror, that is she looking good or not, while looking a little shy and upset. Friends, if you like these facts, do share them with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.